Guys, in this video, I want to tell you how to make money, how to collect tips as an Uber driver. You know that I like tips. How would you drive somebody without getting tips? At least tip is another advantage of making money in this platform. Apart from the normal regular payment that drivers, passengers pays you, at least apart from that normal one, you need that tip, that 500, see that 500, see that 1,000, see that 2,000 tips. How do you get that tips? Is by giving the passenger a very good services. Without good services, you will not get tips. So I'm going to provide 6 steps how to you see those tips, 6 steps how to get those tips. At times, a lot of diploma, especially on Uber platform, a lot of diploma tip $100. I met drivers that tip $100, $500, $100, $50, $20, even pounds. You don't need foreign currency. So I'm going to provide 5 steps. Please stay online, stay with me, and I'll give you 5 tips, 6 tips, not 5 tips, 6 tips, on how to get those tips. And trust me, you'll be one of the best drivers in this platform, and you cash out more and more. Read my list, you cash more. So stay with me. And secondly, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this video, if you're watching through my YouTube platform, please subscribe. See that red button, it doesn't take anything. Just click on that red button and subscribe and share this video. You know, we onboard a lot of drivers on the platform. We are dispatch drivers or a car drivers. DM me and let me help you to onboard on the platform. So guys, stay tuned and follow up. So I'll give you those tips. 1, tips: dress nice. Abba, if you're gonna dress on English wear, let's say shirt and trouser, your pants, dress nice, talking. Some drivers they dress on suits. If you want to wear jeans and a good canvas and a t-shirt, or more dress nice. It doesn't take you to smooth. Dress nice, smell nice. Happy made the passenger enter your car. Happy when the passenger enter your car, feel comfortable because you dress nice. You dress only that nice dressing, can generate tips to you. A passenger come to your car, relax in your car and see you. You look nice, you dress nice, you shave well, both your beards. It's not crime to keep beards. You can keep your beard, but have a good shape on your beards, your head. Let your hair be well brushed, dress nice, look nice, smell nice. Trust me, after the end of the trip, you have a tip. I'm telling you, I've been in this thing. I've done it several times. You will get tip. The passenger will definitely give you a tip. That's 1. Then 2, clean your car. How do you drive dirty car? Every morning. It doesn't take you anything. There are a lot of car wash everywhere. Once you drove out from your house, just drive into any car wash and drive your car. Clean your car. If you can't clean your car, if you can't ask these people to clean your car, you can always do it yourself. Clean your car. Brush up your car before you stepped out from the house. Brush it up. Understand? Make sure your car is okay. Understand? And you're good to go. There are a lot of this car wash. You can pay them monthly. If you don't have the money, you can just have a negotiation with them and pay them monthly. Every morning they'll be cleaning your car, they'll be washing your car. Now at the end of the month, you pay them. You can have such arrangement with them. Always allow your car to be clean, the inside, the interior, the exterior. Trust me, if you do that, a lot of passengers, especially clean passengers, they want to enter a comfortable car and your car is looking good, they will give you a tip. They will give you 1K. If it's a local passenger, they'll give you 1K. If it's a foreign passenger, will give you dollars. You'll see dollars. I'm telling you, just follow this my step and trust me, you get tips. You make more money apart from the regular pay you are cashing out on a daily basis. Then number 3, buy a couple of car air freshener. Some cars they smell. They tell you, some cars they smell. You enter some cars and man, you just be pray, oh God, let me get to my destination so that I will get out of this car. How much they say air freshener? Air freshener na 500 naira, 500 naira, 1,000 naira. Good air freshener 2,000 naira, 2,500. It's not even up to 5,000 naira. Let me give you these tips again. Apart from buying air freshener, you can buy soap. You see all these soaps. You can buy soap and pitch the soap. Create a pot on the soap. I'm telling you, those soaps they smell very well. I'm telling you, they can replace your air freshener. You see those soap? Just buy this, what is a premium soap, Lux soap, then pitch it. I they tell you, those soap smells and it lasts longer. Those about 200 naira, 300 naira. Do you understand? So get a soap. If you don't want to, buy air freshener, get a soap and pitch it. I'm telling you, the smell, the aroma, the flavor in the soap will circulate in the car and the car will smell well. But once your car smell well, it enable the passenger to give you tips because you'll be so relaxed. The car smell well, your perfume smell well, the car smell well, the environment of the car, everything is smelling well. The passenger will even call you again offline after apart from the normal online. The passenger want to go out again, you guys will be friends. The passenger will look for your number and call you again and give you businesses. So, put a friend in your car. It doesn't take anything. Then step number 4, buy a cooler and fill it with water and Coke and gum and mint. What does it take? Just buy water, buy cooler. Small, it is pot cooler. Get a cooler, fill it with water, fill it with mint, Coke, gum. At least the driver, some passengers know say they're a little big boy. They don't want to take water. They don't want to take Coke. At least they can also take mint or gum. I'm not understanding if you give driver such, if you are giving the passenger such service, the passenger will shock because it's rare for driver to give such service, especially this terrible time. I'm telling you. So if you are giving a passenger such service, I'm telling you that passenger out of 10, 8 passenger will give you tips. If I'm lying, tell me in the comment section. Out of 10 passenger, 8 will definitely give you a tip. 8 of them will give you 500 naira, 10 on. That's more. See that small chewing-gum of how much they say chewing-gum? 15 naira. How much they say mint? 15 naira, 100 naira. That 15 naira and 100 naira chewing-gum and it will generate 1,000 naira tips for you. How much they say cooler? Buy cooler, buy water. How much they say water? Go to ShopRite and buy water. How much? Water is like 150 naira. With that 150 naira you are giving that passenger, if you give 5 passenger, 3 will give you tips. Don't read my lips. Try it and thank me later. I'm telling you, you're going to pay me for this information. I'm giving you this information free of charge. Then tip number 6, have a good communication. If you're a passenger up into your car, no start, just greet the passenger and face your front. If the passenger start a conversation with you, then have a good communication with the passenger. Don't tell the passenger what is not telling you. Whatever the passenger is starting up, just flow with that conversation. Don't bring in your family things. Family wahala, everyone get family wahala. Don't bring in terrible wahala. If passenger is talking about politics, then flow with him with the politics. If you talk about family issue, flow. If you talk about government issue, domestic issue, local issue, international affairs, current affairs, flow with the passenger. And when you are correct, trust me, that passenger will love you for your, and you definitely get a tip. Then the last one, take requests. Take requests. Whenever they are giving you a request, go for the request, take your request and move to your destination. Trust me, you have a good tips from a passenger. All right, guys, this is number 6. If you keep this information and you apply it to your day-to-day driving, trust me, you definitely get a tip and you make more money and thank me later. Please, guys, keep sharing this video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Subscribe. Share this video to your friends. We also onboard drivers, onboard dispatch drivers. Want to register on Uber, both, reach out to us. I want to drop my WhatsApp number there. Reach out to me and let me onboard you. So start making money. See that your car that you're parking somewhere, that car that's staying idle in your garage, that car that's staying even in your office. How much are they paying now? 200K cannot even take somebody home in a month. So at times, your car is idle after work. You can put this car on Uber platform, both platforms, and start making money, extra income. Trust me, that way you'll not be buying for with your salary. All right, watch my video, share it, and apply this information and thank me later.